It's dark inside the barn. Dust floats through thin beams of sunlight cutting across the silence. Broken tools lie where someone left them decades ago. The smell of old wood, fuel, and time hangs heavy in the air. And there in the far corner, barely visible under years of neglect, sits a Volkswagen Beetle. Flat tires swallowed by dirt. Paint faded into a ghost of what it once was. Chrome eaten by rust. It looks finished, but it isn't. Because today this Beetle is coming back to life. The discovery walking toward it feels like stepping backward in history. The rounded shape is unmistakable. Even buried in decay, the Beetle's personality survives. Friendly, humble, honest. You brush dust off the hood with your sleeve. Original paint appears for a second before disappearing again under grime. The door handle is cold. You pull. It opens with a scream from the hinges. Inside, the seats are torn apart. Horsehair stuffing spills onto the floor. The steering wheel is cracked. The speedometer glass is foggy, frozen in time. Yet somehow it feels complete, like it has simply been waiting. Pulling it out, nothing moves. The wheels are locked, brakes seized, tires dry-rotted into black stone. It takes straps, patience, and a stubborn winch to drag the Beetle toward daylight. For the first time in years, sunlight hits the curves of the body. And the car almost seems to wake up. Rust is worse than expected. Heater channels are fragile, floor pans have holes, window seals have vanished, but the bones are there and that's what matters. Old Volkswagens are tough. If you can turn a wrench, you can bring them back. The wash seeing reality at the workshop, foam covers everything. Decades of dirt melt away, running down the driveway like history washing off the surface. Underneath, scars appear, scratches. Bubbles, old repairs, bad paint from another lifetime, but also something else. Hope, because now you can see exactly what you're fighting. Documenting the past before touching a bolt, photos are taken, hundreds of them. Every wire, bracket, and trim piece is recorded. Restoration is more than rebuilding, it's remembering. Disassembly, piece by piece bumpers come off, headlights removed, glass carefully pushed free, rubber breaks apart like burnt paper. Screws resist, some snapping after decades of loyalty. The interior comes out in handfuls, carpets disintegrate, the headliner falls like snow. Underneath, the metal tells a better story than expected.
All good to go.
This Beetle wants
Thanks,
to survive.
sounds perfect.
Lifting the body here is where the magic of the design reveals itself. Unbolt the shell from the chassis and they separate. Slowly, the lift rises. The body hangs in the air, lighter than anyone imagined. Beneath it, the platform chassis sits exposed, greasy, rusty, but wonderfully simple. No complicated electronics. No hidden nightmares. Just steel, bolts, and possibility. The engine, a silent hero, the flat 4 engine is removed next. Layers of oil have protected it like ancient armor. It doesn't turn, but it will, because every part inside can be replaced, cleaned, machined, renewed. This isn't
Ready
just
on
an
this
engine,
side?
it's a heart
Ready?
waiting for surgery.
Lifting now.
Chassis
Steady, up she
restoration, the
goes.
pan is stripped completely. Brake lines gone, suspension removed, everything down to bare metal. Rust damage is cut away, fresh steel welded in. Sparks fly like fireworks celebrating the car's second chance. New bushings, new bearings, restored control arms. Bit by bit, strength returns. Suspension and brakes, if a car is going to live again, it must drive safely. Wheel cylinders are rebuilt, drums refinished or replaced, lines bent fresh, the master cylinder renewed. Springs and shocks are upgraded but respectful of originality, because this Beetle must feel vintage but trustworthy. Bodywork, the long war now comes patience. Every rust bubble is hunted down. Small patches become larger ones. Fabricated metal is shaped to match the Beetle's impossible curves. Grinding, welding, cooling, repeat, hours disappear. Days blur together, but slowly perfection begins to emerge. Primer, the first uniform. When primer finally covers the body, something emotional happens. For the first time, the Beetle looks whole. One color, one surface. Like a sculpture reborn from chaos. Imperfections still whisper and they are corrected, sanded again and again, until the body is ready. Paint, color returns to life inside the booth, everything changes. The spray gun moves with rhythm. Paint settles across steel like liquid glass. Curves glow under fresh shine. What used to be forgotten now demands attention. When the final clear coat flashes, reflections are deep enough to fall into. No one talks much. They just stare, rebuilding the engine. Meanwhile, the engine is reborn on a stand nearby. The case is cleaned, measured, perfected. New pistons slide into honed cylinders. Crankshaft balanced, valves adjusted. Carburetor restored to factory condition. Cooling tins are painted. Hardware gleams. When assembled, it looks almost too beautiful to hide behind a deck lid. Wiring, new nerves, old wires are brittle, dangerous. A fresh harness runs through the car, following original paths. Every connection tight, every ground clean. Lights will shine again. Gauges will wake up. The Beetle will speak. Interior, comfort meets history. Seat frames are repaired and painted. New padding installed, upholstery pulled tight. A fresh headliner transforms acoustics and atmosphere. New carpets soften the floor. You sit inside and suddenly imagine road trips, music, warm summer air. It doesn't feel
Hand me
like
the
a
wrench for
project
this hose.
anymore. It
Here you
feels
go.
like a
Need
car.
anything else?
Chrome and
Yeah,
trim
check this
polished
bolt.
bumpers
Got it.
reflect the
Perfect.
shop lights. Door handles click beautifully. Emblems return home. Small details, massive difference. Jewelry for an old friend. Bringing it together, body meets chassis once more. Bolts tighten. Panels align, wheels mount. Standing back, you realize you're not looking at parts anymore. You're looking at a Beetle, complete. First fuel, first breath gas flows through new lines. The key turns. Silence holds everyone hostage. The engine cranks, hesitant at first, then stronger. And suddenly, it starts. That familiar air-cooled rhythm fills the workshop. A mechanical heartbeat echoing off walls that remember when it arrived lifeless. Some people laugh, others just listen. First drive outside, sunlight dances across perfect paint. Clutch in, first gear. The Beetle rolls forward under its own power for the first time in decades. Steering is light, engine eager, brakes confident. People stop to watch, smile, wave. This little car still has magic. The transformation, think about where it began. Buried in dust, forgotten, one step from disappearing forever. Now it's alive again, shiny, proud, ready for another lifetime. That's what restoration really is, hope on wheels.